morning. Use how we know, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Reza in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? So this is the continuation from my updated hair routine that you guys saw. It probably won't be my previous video at this point, probably the video before that. I did all of that yesterday, so my hair is still quite damp, which is okay. I twisted my hair up in some big twists, and boom, chakalaka. Hey girl, I don't know how many days it has been, probably about 3 days, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I refresh my edges and what. Hey guys, today is another day. Okay, so tomorrow will be Thursday, so that means today is Wednesday, and Thursday would make it 2 weeks since I've been rocking my braids. Done. This didn't take that long, but if you guys want a part 2 to see what I do with my hair this coming week, I'm still on week 2. Today's Tuesday, by the way. Thursday will make it 3 weeks since I've been doing my routine. So what are we gonna do today, girl? Well, first of all, I know my hair looks like a hot mess, and that's because it has been rough, okay? And I haven't left my house at all, really, only to work out, and you guys know how that goes. Hair is sweated out, but I didn't wash my hair the last time, so my hair is really itchy now, and I anticipated to wash my hair this week. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but wasn't in the mood. This is what my hair is looking like. It's still moisturized, but we could have done a little refresh or something. But I'm about to shampoo, and we're gonna figure out whether I'm going to rebraid into smaller braids like I told you guys I might have done, or we might do something else. I don't know yet, just wait and see. So I'm going to wash my hair. You guys saw me do this in my previous video with the braids in, so I'm not gonna unravel the braids, and then I'll come back to show you guys what I do or how I style my hair after that. So stay tuned. Gonna be interesting because I don't feel like wearing braids this week. I actually feel like doing some twist now. This hair routine is quite versatile. Well, I'm able to switch between braids and twists, but that's if I want to, and depending on how I feel. I want a different look this week. The routine is the same. I'm gonna apply some leave-in conditioner or any kind of moisturizer, coral cream, or whatever I have, because I'm at the point right now where I'm trying to finish up the majority of my products so I can just have my favorite products and repurchase those. Of course, brands do send me products from time to time, but I want to have my go-to favorite products. So I'm gonna unravel this and apply leave-in conditioner. Actually, guys, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna rebraid. I think the leave-in conditioner that I use works best on clean hair, and even though I did shampoo my hair, it's not the cleanest since I shampooed it with braids. So the best hairstyle right now to have less frizz would be braids. I'm feeling some product buildup on my hair, so I am due for a proper shampoo and deep condition. There, I know what my hair feels like when I need that. I think I'm gonna rock these for another week. You guys already know how I do this. I spray my water if needed be, but my hair is still quite damp. Apply the leave-in conditioner, the grease, and braid. Done. How you doing? What you doing, girl? I already went ahead and put my hair into a ponytail. I just look so refreshed and brand new. I just love wearing my hair back into a ponytail. It just brings out my facial features. That's cute, you know. I saved this just to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys previously, but I threw it away. But this is the amount of hair that I lost. Oh, and my hand is still hurting me, by the way, especially my pinky. It's not really a lot compared to me not fully washing and detangling my hair in the shower like I usually do. So this is a good bit, but not really right after I do my hair, because I also don't like my hair rubbing up on top of me. Since it's grease, I don't want to be all greasy most times either. But for the first couple of days, I'll be honest with you guys, I'll be a little greasy, especially my pillowcases. That can be annoying, but the good thing is with me, I change out my pillowcases quite often, like every 3 days the least, or 4 days or 7 days. That's pushing it though. But what I will do is, for instance, say I sleep on this side for the first night, the next night I'll sleep on the other side, and then I will switch to my other pillowcase, well, my other pillow, and do the same thing, and then probably wash both of them, and then I have a backup. So basically what I'm trying to say is I change out my pillowcases quite often because you guys know, acne prone skin as well. I don't have any problems in that arena when it comes to cleanliness. Just wanted to put that out there. So like for the first day, especially when I refresh my hair or moisturize my hair, I will switch my pillow, but I will also sleep with a bonnet just so that I can soak up some of the product as well. Using grease is still a learning curve for me because I'm sure I can use a lot less that I have been using. That's something that as I continue to use it, I'll learn. See you guys whenever. It'll probably be a couple days from now because the next time you see me, I'll probably be doing my wash day routine because it's overdue at this point. My leave-in conditioner isn't really saturating into my strands as easily as it usually does because product buildup has started to occur. So I need a good wash and deep condition, and stay tuned for that. So bye. Well, not bye. Where you going? Like, stay right there. Well, next clip. Hey guys, so it's the day before wash day. I'm going to unravel my hair one time for the one time so that tomorrow I can just go ahead and just wash my hair. And my hair is just weighed down and heavy. I was actually supposed to do this yesterday, but I didn't feel like it. But let's say I actually had to go out, I would have unraveled. I would have had a nice braid out style, or I could have done a low bun like I usually do, or low puff or something like that. I'm not limited. Let's say if I were to go out on a weekend, I could have styled my hair how I wanted to, you know. I sweated my scalp a lot, right? I worked out this morning and my scalp is still wet and sweaty. Yeah, so I'm gonna unravel, show you guys what my hair looks like after I unravel. But as I'm unraveling, my hair is still moisturized. For the moisturized, I'm gonna continue drinking my tea. I really love peppermint tea, that's my favorite, but I actually have the peppermint tea in there along with the actual mint bush. Yeah, that's what I'm drinking. That's what's in my cup. Also, I have my collagen peptides in there. I usually always put that in my tea. See, I tell you guys, if I really wanted to stunt, I could with a nice braid out. But summer is cancelled, nowhere to go. And even if summer wasn't cancelled, I really wasn't going anywhere. So that's that. So I'm gonna turn the fan on now. This actually looks pretty good, you know? Like, this actually looks like a really nice braid out. I haven't styled it, I just unraveled. So imagine if I styled it up, slick the edges down, or do some sort of style with it, it would look really nice. Didn't even really separate as much either. We're just gonna wash this tomorrow, so see you guys tomorrow. I'm so excited for my wash day because my hair, oh my gosh, I can't wait to have clean hair. Okay. It's wash day fun day. Not really. It's just wash day. First thing first with my wash day, I love to get my hair saturated with water. So I have to get my hair really wet, make sure the water gets into my roots, into my hair, and just saturate my curls, wash out any product that I may have had in my hair to make my hair easy to detangle. So I'm just showing you guys that that's one of my tools that I have in the shower. Well, the scrunchie or ponytail holder and my comb. So I'm going to detangle my hair with the comb on the running water. Just work my way up to my roots or wherever I have tangles, just trying to get those tangles out. And yes, the water is running directly on my hair, and I'm just showing you guys that I started from the back and I work my way to the other side of the back. You got me? yeah. So I'm still getting my hair wet to prepare my hair for shampoo. Time to shampoo. I start at my roots. Wow, not my roots. I start at the front of my hair. Then I break my hair into like 4 quadrants and get the shampoo into those quadrants and work my way down my strands. So you're gonna see me break this in half, put some of the shampoo in that quadrant right there, work the shampoo into my roots with my fingertips and just massage the shampoo in, drag the shampoo down my hair. A lot of you asked what type of shampoo I use to do this. I'll put the shampoo along with the products that I use in the description box, but to be honest, y'all, just take your time and shampoo your hair, and it would help if the shampoo has sulfate in it. If it doesn't, sometimes I would just shampoo my hair more than once to really get the product out of my hair. And I really do take my time and shampoo my hair to get my hair clean, and the type of shampoo you use does matter. This shampoo I'm using is more on the moisturizing side, and it does strengthen my hair as well, and it leaves my hair really clean but not stripped. You just have to find what works for you and continue to use it. So my hair is all clean, the shampoo is washed out, I still have some definition, still have some moisture. Yeah. My hair looks good, right? So we're gonna move on to deep conditioning in just a bit. Let me just show off a little bit now. Like, let's show off a little bit, you know. Time for a deep condition. You guys should know I have a whole series dedicated to my deep conditioning. It's called my Deep Conditioner Hunt series. If you guys really want to see how I deep condition my hair, especially with heat, I didn't use heat in this go around, but I usually deep condition my hair with heat, but not today, because I want it to be done with. What a mighty God we serve, angels bow before him, heaven and earth adore him. What a mighty God we serve. Oh, what a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God. My hair is all saturated with the deep conditioner, and I'll just let that sit in my hair for a bit, put my hair in a bun, let that sit and do its thing, and take a shower, you know, get all clean, and then I'm going to rinse it out in a bit. So I'm just rinsing out the deep conditioner. Sometimes instead of deep conditioning, I would condition. It all depends on how my hair feels, but since I wore my hair in that style for so long, I needed some strength back in my hair. I needed some moisture. That's why I opted to deep condition this time around. I am due for a protein treatment though, so I'll probably do that soon. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair up in a bun and finish showering. This is me being a creep, saying hi and blowing kisses. And now it's time to apply my leave-in conditioner. So I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like before I do that. I didn't include this clip, but if my hair gets dry, I will spritz some water on my hair and apply my leave-in conditioner, detangle with my brush, and twist. So I braid at the roots before I twist because I want my hair to be more on the stretched side, especially since I'll be preparing my hair to style, and I'm not sure what style I'm gonna do yet most times. And then put that into a bun and tuck the bun under the ponytail to stretch my hair even more. And that's how we do it. So I'm finally done, happy, hungry, like I'm starving right now. So I just put my hair in some big twists. Well, before that, you guys saw me apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I detangled and put my hair in some big twists because most days I don't style my hair the day I wash it, because you guys saw how long my wash day can be. Not that it's long, but it's a lot of work because I have a lot of hair. Sometimes I'm just tired where I don't really want to style my hair the same day. Mostly that's how it happens, but it depends on the style. But if I do wash my hair in the morning, I may style my hair in the evening, but most times it's the next day. And I love putting my hair into twists or braids to stretch my hair out. So maybe the style that I do choose choose to do, if I do choose to style, it'll be easier to do. Or I'll just rock my hair in these twists. I mean, of course I could have done them neater, but if I don't have anywhere to go, then I can just keep these twists in my hair until I'm ready to style. You guys get me? As long as my hair is moisturized and tucked away, then we good. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned some things about what I do, and if you guys want to try them out in your routine, then let me know, and let me know how it goes as well. So thank you guys for watching again, and see you in the next video. Maybe I'll show you guys how I style my hair, you know. So if you want to see how I end up styling my hair, let me know. I was gonna do my I don't know yet. I'm very indecisive, of course, when it comes to my hair, because I really have to be in a certain mindset to do my hair. So I was thinking to do a style, like an actual style, instead of doing my normal routine, but I don't know. So anyway, bye.